Jay always says, tell your story, tell it first, and tell your story. So I'm going to tell my story because in January when I signed up for this class, I was homeless. I had just signed up with this company to go work in fish canneries for 2 months in the middle of summer. That's where I'd be right now if it weren't for this class. And I figured I'd just stay the way that I was. But for some reason I signed up for this class. My heart wasn't really in it at first. And after about 2 weeks, something started to change. We're taught to have a vision for your life. And it all started with that vision. Positivity that's in my heart today started with that vision. Because somewhere along the line, I started believing in that vision.
Yeah.
And I'll admit, that vision then, it was physical things. I wanted my own place to live with no roommates and a Dodge Charger with a 5.7 liter Hemi. My vision for myself today is to be a person that is dependable, compassionate,
Come on now.
that is reliable,
Yeah.
loving, someone that I want my children to grow up trying to be that person.
Yeah.
Amen.
I know if I can be that person, then
Come on, bro. It's all right, man. It's all right.
I know that if I can be that person, success will follow. If my feet hit the ground every morning with intention, I'm stepping towards that man.
Come on.
Amen.
Yes, sir.
There you go.
And what I wanted to say, specifically to the class, is that your thoughts, actions, and attitude
Come on, man.
will shape the person that you are.
Come on. Yeah, that's good. That's good.
I mean, I go to work today, I'm singing to myself on the line. Now, in January, I'd be walking down the street just crying. Today, I'm happy.
All right.
And I have more blessings in my life. I mean, this whole year, ever since I signed up for this class, it's been nothing but blessings.
Yeah.
All along the way.
That's what I'm talking about.
And it's because I got it in my mind to step towards being that person.
Yeah, man.
So that's pretty much what I had to say, is that, thank you to all of the people who have created and run this class.
Yeah.
Because life-changing, absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah.
My kids are going to grow up with a father that they can be proud of, with security and safety, because you helped me turn things around.
That's all right.
Amen.
All right.